Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're going to go over a new feature of the Fabric Gear website where we will be looking at user-submitted finished finished objects. I got to get the right terminology. So, what this will allow you to do is to upload images of your finished object and share it with the world. So that way people can see what you've done and get ideas for their next project. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we'll do is log in. And I have an image of the Galatea by Passione Ricoma. The first thing you'll know that is you'll see a new button here for the gallery. We'll go ahead and click on that. And you can see nobody's been submitted anything yet here. So I'll go ahead and put this in. So this is something my wife finished. I have no idea what fabric she'd put it on, but this is where you put your fabric. It's not a required field, so we'll go ahead and leave that empty. And I know that she finished that in July of 2009. There we go. And we'll go ahead and pick our image. Okay, there we go. And there is a limit, so the images can't be more than 3 megabytes in size, but it will accept PNGs, JPEGs, or bitmaps. So it gives you a little preview of the image. Then we'll go ahead and submit this for review. And the reason it goes through a review process is, maybe you picked the wrong file, or maybe it's a duplicate, something like that. And I'll just approve it, and then it'll be added. There is a disclaimer here about the image, making sure you've not violated any copyright things, you have the right to the image, and so on. So we'll go ahead and submit that. And an email will go out to you saying that it has been submitted for approval. Then I will come in here to the administration side and say, oh, I have one unapproved thing. There's the image. And we'll go ahead and approve it. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and back to the designer. You'll get an email that's saying it's been approved. And now if we hover over this, you can't see it on the screen share, but there's a little thing saying how many things that are in there. And there you go. Now the finished object is there for everybody to look at. So I hope you find these useful. Have a wonderful day.